Welcome back to Add Art. Now today's Add Art is a very special one because we're going to be drawing superheroes. Not Spider-Man, Batman or Wonder Woman, but real heroes who are saving lives every single day. I'm talking about all the people who work for the NHS who are doing such an amazing job. Now I've based this drawing on two friends of mine, Dr. Claire and Dr. Ali, who are working really hard at the moment, but it's for everyone who works for the NHS as well. So let's make a start on the drawing, shall we? Let's start with the face. Just a little notch there for the cheek down to the chin and up. And then put one of these hats in that they all seem to be wearing. Tie it off at the back. Another eye, put the nose in, and a smiley mouth, a couple of eyes. I tend to find people who work at the NHS are always really friendly and really kind. Then their neck goes in, shoulders, I'll just bring that down there, and put the arm in as well. The arm outstretched as though she's got magical healing powers. There we go, fingers go in. Just put the line to indicate the palm. Now a lot of the nurses and doctors at the moment are wearing these gowns. They almost look like front-facing capes of a superhero. Let's put that in. The other arm coming down. We're going to give her quite a heroic pose. The other hand goes in. Now let's put the legs in. Put some bottom of the trousers there. Some shoes. There we go, second leg. And the other foot. So she's already starting to look like a real hero, isn't she? Now this drawing's also for our babysitter Ellie. She works in the NHS, as does my cousin Kerry, but I'm sure you might know someone who works for the NHS who's working really, really hard at the moment. So this is a shout out to them as well. So we'll just put Ali's face in here. His eyes. Again, friendly smile. Some eyebrows as well. I forgot to put those on Claire. Let's put those on quickly. Bring that round. Give him one of these paper cap things. Tie that on. Just continue with the neck. Now, like me, you might have been out on Thursday, banging your pots and pans and making some noise for the NHS. We do appreciate it, and it shows that we appreciate everything that they're doing for us as well. Body coming down. So he's got one of these gowns on as well. His hand in here. And we'll just do this arm, and again we'll have this outstretched, almost as though he's got healing powers. draw some of those powers in later. Put the leg in. Put the leg. Now, if you know someone who works at the NHS, it would be lovely if you could do a drawing for them. Maybe you don't have to base it on mine. You could base it on your friends who work there and send it to them as well, and really show that you think that they're doing a fantastic job, and you think they're the real superheroes at the moment. So we just put these sort of magical lines coming from the hands, the healing power. I'm going to colour those in rainbow colours. Lots of children have been doing rainbows for the NHS, and just draw some on the other side there. And if I'm going too fast, just pause this, and you can catch up and then press play. Let's put a sign in here. So the NHS stands for National Health Service. There we go. This is starting to look good. So let's put some of these like action lines in. You often get these in comic books. So let's try and make them look like real superheroes here. Have that bursting from the centre of the picture. Almost as though they've arrived to save the day. Just put some detail on the trousers and arms there, some creases in the fabric. We'll just have a mask. A lot of them are wearing masks at the moment, so that's just waiting to be put on. There we go, one for Claire too. Been wearing these protective goggles, so we can put those on. Those look quite superhero-y, something the X-Men might wear, or and there we have it, 2 NHS workers looking like real superheroes. And I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who works at the NHS. I think you're doing an amazing job, so thank you very, very much. So I'll see you again tomorrow for another ad art. Bye for now.